Hello, welcome to the Spoon for Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I can show you how to make Thai chicken salad or Laab Gai. And for the Thai chicken salad today, I'm gonna start with the toasted rice. I use the uncooked jasmine rice. Okay, and now I turn on the low heat. I'm gonna wait just a second until my pan is hot. And if you have the kaffir lamb or lemongrass and you're on hand, you can add into our toast rice. So we'll add more franken into our toasted rice. Okay, when we wait for our rice to toast it, very low heat and continue mix them. So I'm gonna tell you about myself a little bit fun and a little bit sad for me. I just lost my retainer. That's why I didn't want to smile it too much on the video because I lost the retainer. Because if you sometimes some people already know because I wear the retainer and I already have sometimes when I taste the food, you see me without this tooth because I born without this tooth. So like the doctor told me, I never know until when I do the basis and the doctor tell me I born with no tooth, this and the front tooth. so I have to wear retainer 7 days, 24/7. So one day I go out and eat with my husband. The cameraman, he stole my retainer away. He stole away my retainer. Yeah, it's you stole away my retainer. And make sure you don't want to burn your rice, so just go very slow for the toasted rice. Now I already can smell the franken come out from the kaffir lamb and the lemongrass leaf. So just continue. And after 4 minutes, our rice turn the color to be golden brown. I'm gonna turn off the heat. The color should look like this, not burn. Come out perfect color. Okay, and now I'm gonna set our toasted rice on the side. Okay, let it cool down a little bit. Okay, and in the same pan and very low heat, I will toast our chili flakes too to get an extra smoky flavor. But be careful, the chilies burn very fast. Just toast them just a second until you smell the smoky flavor come out from the chili flakes, and we're done. Okay, and that's it. I'm gonna turn up the heat. We're done. We just need some smoky flavor, and I'm gonna set the chili on the side. And now I'm gonna grind our toasted rice. But before I grind the toasted rice, I will remove the herb. We just need the franken, but we not need to grind them all together. So now I'm gonna remove. And today I will use the pestle and mortar. If you want to use the grinder, you can. But the traditional way in Thailand, we like to use the pestle and mortar. Okay, now I done grind our toasted rice. So now I'm gonna set it on the side. The toasted rice should look small like this, but not like a powder. And next, we're gonna cook our chicken. I add about 3 tablespoons the chicken stock. Just a little bit for enough for to help cook our chicken. And I'm gonna add our ground chicken. I use the 95% lean and 5% fat for the ground chicken. And when your chicken cook, not walk away, just keep mix, not allow the chicken to turn out to the big chunk. So we're gonna continue mix them because you don't want the big chunk. And now be about 4 minutes we cook our chicken. Now the chicken fully done. I'm gonna turn off the heat, and you can see the extra water come out from the chicken, but is it fine? Gonna be extra flavor for you. So and then let our chicken on the side, and we're gonna prepare our vegetable because the chicken have to be cooled down a little bit before we put our fresh vegetable. Okay, and first I'm gonna cut our shallot. I will use 1 big shallot. Okay, and for the shallot, very important, you thinly select because they have a very strong flavor than the rest onion. If you have the big piece of the shallot inside your mouth, might be too strong flavor for you. So the base it have to be thinly sliced. Okay, now I'm gonna set the shallot on the side. It's a one big shallot. So next, our green onion. I use 2 green onion. For the green onion, not have to be really thin except for the bottom part, because the bottom part will be very stronger than the top part. Okay, I will set the green onion with our shallot. Now I'm gonna thinly slice the bottom part, okay, and I'm gonna set it on the side with our shallot and the top part of the green onion. So now I have the green onion and the shallot. Next, will be cilantro. Same size the onion. Okay, now done with the cilantro. Now we're gonna set cilantro on the side. Okay, and next I'm gonna pick the mint. The mint I'm gonna pick it up by my hand, because I want the whole leaf. If you buy from the grocery store and they have very big leaf, you can cut them half, but this is not very big, so I'm gonna need the whole leaves. So I'm gonna use my hand to pick it. Okay, and now the mint done and all vegetable done, we ready to put everything together to our chicken salad. Take us about 3 minutes to cut our vegetable, and now the perfect time our chicken is cool down. Now I can add our ingredient. First I'm gonna add the green onion and shallot. All go in. It will be smell so good inside your salad, the chicken salad. Next, our cilantro. Go in. Okay, I'm gonna give this a mix a little bit. The chicken is still warm. This what we really want. Not too hot and just a little bit warm, just enough to cook the just enough to cook shallot and the green onion a little bit. And next, fresh lime juice. I will put 3 tablespoons fresh lime juice. Okay. And next, I'm gonna put the 3 tablespoons good quality fish sauce. Okay. All our Thai salad, the ratio for the lamb and the fish sauce is always have to be even, 3 and 3 or 2 and 2, depend how you like your favorite. And next I'm gonna have as a 1.5 tablespoon our chili flakes, but this is very spicy. I love very spicy. If you can't handle very spicy, just cut half of our chili flakes. And next our toasted rice. I'm gonna add 2.5 tablespoons toasted rice. Okay, and give this a good mix again. Wow. And it's very important, this is a tip, not put the toasted rice first. The toasted rice have to put almost in the end, because the toasted rice will suck all the juice and will be turned out so mushy. Okay, and last ingredient I'm gonna put into our chicken salad is mint. Big handful mint, and I'm gonna just keep on the side a little bit more for garnish. And now mix. This mint will make all your chicken salad taste very good because of the mint. And now we're ready to serve our chicken salad. Wow. Fresh herb. Smells very good with the fresh herb, fresh lamb. In Thailand, we like to serve with the lettuce and cucumber. So I'm gonna put our lettuce on the side, just like this, and some a little cucumber. I already peel and did the slice like this, and garnishing with the fresh mint. Make it some bright green. And before I try this, one more thing is very popular to put on top our chicken salad in Thailand is the fried chili. It's crispy and smoky flavored, but I know if too spicy for you, you don't have to, but this is very popular in Thailand. Now I'm gonna try our chicken salad. Wow, the big bite. My mouth is watering. I can eat the whole chili. Some cucumber. Wow. Spicy, herby, a lot of herb flavored and spicy. Sour from the fresh ram. Actually, the chili got me a little bit spicy for me. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you like the recipe, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and I will see you for the next recipe. Thank you. Me and the cameraman ready to finish this chicken salad. Bye.